to drop a bowling ball from a height down to the ground. And so what we're going to do is take some data to try and calculate the fall time of the bowling ball and also the acceleration of the bowling ball. And then compare it to what it should be. What should be the acceleration of the bowling ball? What? 9.8 meters per second squared. Right. So the goal is, can we get close to that? So, okay. So here's the setup. We have the bowling ball that is a 10 kilogram mass up at the top. It's going to fall a distance of 3.7 meters into a sandbox, and that's Professor Montgomery.
Wait,
What?
are the release?
Yeah.
Like the release frame or
No, so the data that we can collect, is time data by looking at the number of frames it takes to fall from where it is down to the sandbox. So we're going to collect frame data. So this is how the ball's set up. It's attached to some magnetic switch that will be released when she does so. So we can see the information at the bottom of the screen is probably important. It tells us how we're going to convert from frames to seconds. So you want to write that down in the bottom row of your data table there. It says shot at 24 frames per second. So in that data table, the last row.
Estimate a value for G.
Okay, so we're going to do it again. So that's what happened is the bowling ball fell. So now we're going to slow it down and do it frame by frame. So we want to go back to... Bear with me. So what we have up here is the frame numbers. This is the chapter number, and then this is what we're going to look at for the frame numbers to see how many frames it increases by while the ball is falling. No, this isn't the starting one because it hasn't actually started yet. All right, so it looks like we're just about to get started. So we can write down 29130. I think that might be released. We'll go through it. We'll go through it to see further. What is our fall distance? 3.7 meters. Good. All right, so I'm going to go through it one by one. Let's see if we've released yet. Oh, did you see that? No. Watch the bowling ball from there to there at the very top of the screen. It's just starting to move. You see that? So we're going to put 29143 as the release frame. So now let's go forward and watch its motion. Where is it? Maybe that wasn't the start of it. Oh, there we go. Okay, sorry. So yeah, 57. Oh, you can even see her arm move. See? Okay, so let's watch it fall. What do you notice about the distance it travels as the frames increases? It covers more ground as we get further along. All right. So what do you say? Is it this one or this one as our last one?
7.
I would say 778. You can see its motion is still blurred here, whereas here it's coming to a rest. So we can do 29177. You can see the sand going out now.
291.
All right. So now go ahead. Do the fall time.